In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assign your employees skills for a specific location. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or the location selected, then click on Locations. Next, click on the location you would like to add employee skills to. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Skills. You should now arrive at a list of the skills assigned to employees at this specific location. In the chart, you will see the name of the location, the station these employees have been given skills for, the crew the employee is assigned to, the employee's name, and the priority. The priority is illustrated through stars. It's not an employee ranking. Instead, it's saying, I really want this employee scheduled at this station, or I don't really want this employee scheduled at this location, but they can be. If you give someone a high priority at a certain station, they're more likely to be scheduled there than if they have a low one. To give an employee a new skill, click the Add button at the top of the chart. Select the employee who you would like to add a skill to. We'll say Cassie. Then choose from the list of stations. I'll go ahead and say Cashier. Next, I could adjust Cassie's ranking from 5. Let's say I want her to be a cashier, so I'll change that to a 6. If you don't want to add this skill to Cassie, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to click Save. And now Cassie, with the skill of Cashier, has been added to my list. If I want to clear someone, if I want to delete this skill from them, I can click on that person, then click Clear at the bottom of the chart. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete that skill from that employee. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I'm going to select OK. And now that employee with that skill has been removed from this location. If I want to update an employee's priority, I can click on that employee. Let's say Kat can also be a cashier and I really need more of those. Maybe I will drop her ranking from this 8 down to a 4. If I do want to change her priority, I will choose Update. If I don't, I'm not going to do anything. I'll go ahead and click Update. And now Kat's priority for bus at this location has been dropped. That's how you can assign your employees skills for a specific location. Check out the next video to learn more about your TeamWork 5 account.